25 million people in the South are under winter weather alerts. Forecasters expect potential power outages and tree damage in the coastal regions of the Carolinas and up through Virginia. Joining us now is meteorologist Elise Finch from CBS New York. Hi, Elise. So how bad is this storm expected to get?
Honestly, it has the potential to be very bad because one of the things that you mentioned is ice. So let's start. I want to show you and have you take a look at some of the winter weather alerts that have been posted specifically for the mid-Atlantic. That is the area that will likely see frozen precip. Now, the problem is we could see some snow, but as you take a look at these winter storm alerts, we have winter weather advisories that you see in purple. We have winter storm warnings that you'll see in pink, and then an ice storm warning, which is really quite dangerous because we get freezing rain. We also see some sleet, and that's what will accumulate on power lines, on tree limbs. It'll take down tree limbs. It'll obviously coat the roads, but it will also take down power lines with the weight of the ice. So that's what makes that so particularly dangerous. As far as snow is concerned, obviously these are some states, especially when you head into parts of Virginia, North and South Carolina, even the southern tip of the Delmarva Peninsula. You don't always see much snow. So the fact that we could see up to 6 inches of snow for some of these locations is an issue. I mean, these are communities that don't necessarily have the ability to get rid of that snow very quickly. Want to show you a futurecast model that shows some of what we'll see here through tomorrow morning. So some of this is rain, and that is helpful, but certainly we're looking at some of that sleet and freezing rain that is particularly dangerous, mixing with, and in some cases, some of it is just plain snow, which actually is more helpful for some of these communities to just deal with the snow. So we'll be dealing with this system in through the rest of today into the overnight hours, and it looks like this system pulls offshore by about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, which is certainly helpful. This is a big picture look. Just want to show you our national radar if I can, and that's just going to show you what this system looks like right now, which really isn't particularly impressive at the moment. But again, over the next few hours, we are going to watch this system again with that ice and the snow.
A lot of winter weather ahead. All right, Elise Finch, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.